for apple, red and brown. Let's pretend to take a bite. B is for ball, we bounce all day. Bounce it left, bounce it right. C is for cat who says meow. Can you purr like a kitty now? D is for dog who loves to bark. Say woof woof loud and sharp. E is for elephant, big and gray. Swing your arms like a trunk, hooray. F is for fish swimming in the sea. Let's wiggle like fishies, 1, 2, 3. G is for goat with a little beard. Make a bleat sound that sounds weird. H is for hat, put it on your head. Wear your hat, now go to bed. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. Pretend to lick a yummy treat. J is for jump, up so high. Jump like a frog into the sky. K is for kite, flying in the air. Wave your arms like it's up there. L is for lion, big and loud. Give a roar and be so proud. M is for monkey, swing and play. Make a monkey face today. N is for nose, on your face. Touch your nose in its place. O is for owl who says hoo hoo. Turn your head and say it too. P is for penguin, waddle around. Walk like penguins on the ground. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. Wave like royalty up and down. R is for rabbit, hop hop hop. Don't you stop till I say stop. S is for sun shining so bright. Spread your arms like a ball of light. T is for train going choo choo. Let's be a train, me and you. U is for umbrella, open it wide. Pretend there's rain and run inside. V is for violin, play us songs from the air and dance along. W is for whale, big and blue. Swim through the ocean with your crew. X is for x-ray, see your bones. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Move your hand and spin it around. Z is for zebra, black and white. Gallop around, what a sight.